Hello, period two, my wonderful people. I'm not in today. I am chaperoning the Chinbro field trip. Okay. If you absolutely need me, or if I tagged you for something, or excuse me, I'm gonna backtrack. If I tagged you for Warrior Day today, I'm not in. Mr. Lever or Mr. Avery both teach global issues as well. Go to them, say, here's what I was missing from Mr. Drogi, and they can print it for you if you need it printed. Okay? If you need to speak to me today, just shoot me an email, or I will be back probably during block 4. So you can swing by my room at the end of block 4 or at the very end of the day. So here is what you are going to do today. Number 1, you are not going to be a jerk to the substitute. You're going to be nice. I will hear about it, and there will be dire consequences if we're going to give them a hard time or if we're going to give our peers a hard time. I expect you to work today, not sit there and flap your gums all class. Thinking of some of you in particular. So, what we're going to do today is you are going to finish up your reading organizer. All right. If you recall, we did together the Vasco da Gama reading, and then we did, if my memory so serves, we did the Berlin Conference reading as well. Leopold's Big Swindle would be the name at the top of that reading, after we did the observations and inferences from the 2 pictures that we looked at. If we didn't do any of that, then congratulations, you're going to do that on your own and answer those questions in the reading organizer. But neither here nor there. If we didn't do that, then great. That's your first step, everybody. 10 minutes to do that on your own. If we did, the next step is on slide 14 of the Scramble for Africa, which you all can access. You are going to see a map of Africa. That is 1914, not the present day. That's the year 1914 is the year World War I starts. Okay? So, what you are going to do is you're going to take your blank map of Africa. I have extras up front if you lost yours. All right, that's why we have in-class folders. You are going to color in the map, not perfect, not with all the little lines, not with all the little words. I don't need any words right now. You are just going to color in the map, roughly speaking, okay? Does not have to be perfect, all right? The only words and things I do care about being accurate is your key. I need a key somewhere on your paper, okay? An example key is up on there on that slide too for what you can have yours look like. You don't have to match the colors though. Once you finish that, your substitute is going to set a timer for 15 minutes for you to do that. It is coloring. It's not hard. Next, individually, you are going to scratch that with a partner sitting right next to you, the people I normally pair you off with. Okay, you guys are going to read the African American resistance movements reading. There's going to be some tough words in there. Mostly it's just going to be native words. So just sound them out, okay? It's not going to make sense to you, but it's going to be difficult names. You'll be fine. And then you're going to answer the final question on the left side of your reading organizer. Then individually, very importantly, this last part, no partners, you're going to do the analysis on that right side. If you finish, going to go ahead, pass it into our little turn-in tray. Remember, you're the second slot from the bottom. Then after that, do something for other classes. If you don't finish it, then it is homework, and it is due to me on Friday. Grades close, so if you want this grade in, get it into me. All right, other than that, have a great day.